Hey guys, Michael's Gettin Greasy Garage. So, had some packages come in today. Just got some various ring terminals of different sizes. These were surprisingly inexpensive. These were actually GBs. So, that's a brand that I'm familiar with. They're really good quality. But really what I was happy to see was, so I'm going to be doing a couple of complete wiring harnesses and a couple different vehicles. One being the 59 Ford Fairlane that's upcoming, and most likely the 78 El Camino is coming back for wiring harness as well. You know, these cars are old. The wiring is old and primitive, so it's something that it's not that expensive to have a car rewired when you get down to the nickels and dimes of it, versus the fact that one electrical short can cause a vehicle to burn to the ground. So anyway, I was looking online for ways to attach wiring harnesses to firewalls, to inner fenders. Of course, there's old drill 2 holes side by side and run a zip tie through, holding your wires. Instead, I found these. You can go either way with the zip tie. The zip tie will go through either way, or you can put screws in it. They're adhesive on the back side. These ones I kind of thought were cool because, so you put your wiring inside of them, and then it latches. But if you needed to open it for some reason, you just pull the little latch open. So that's kind of nice. I got 25 of these. I ended up with 200 of these. I didn't mean to order that many, but that's okay. And then I found these ones, which, these ones are adhesive as well. So are these ones. These ones you can put a screw in. And it's just kind of got a built-in zip tie that goes through its own latch. And then it's got this little deal here. So you literally can hook this thing through. See if I can do it one-handed. Probably not. Hold on. Bear with me, guys. Okay. It just looks like that. And you can, if you can see there, it just hooks over that tab. So you can pull it tighter and release it. There you go. So I kind of like that idea of that. I'm sure I'll use all of these. I got 25 of these, 25 of these, 200 of these. Now these did not come with zip ties. You have to supply your own zip ties, but that's okay. I ordered a bunch of those too. What else did I get? All kinds of nifty stuff. Got this old soldering iron, kind of old school. Plus, it came with some different tips, and I ordered a bigger spool of wire solder. I like these old straight style solder guns. I've got a Weller trigger style. It's kind of big, kind of bulky. Takes a minute to warm up. These ones here seem to warm up faster. I actually had one of these that I bought at Walmart for $3 that lasted me almost 20 years. And I was kind of sad when it quit working because it just was always a great soldering iron. So, because I like to solder all my connections. You know, there's some places where using a crimp connector is okay, but I prefer to use a soldering iron and then use heat shrink, which I got also expandable wire covering of about every different size. And then I got, oh hell, where is it? All kinds of different sizes and lengths of heat shrink tubing. So I'm pretty well set on electrical goodies for now. I do a lot of wiring, a lot of trailer wiring, car wiring. I enjoy it. I'm one of the, like, maybe 3 people on earth that enjoy doing electrical. Now, AC electrical, I don't know anything about it and don't want to. But DC stuff doesn't bother me at all. I'll do it all the way up to 48 volt, and I'll also do marine. So, like, boat stuff. But anyway, that's just pretty much what I got for now. I'm gonna have some unboxing stuff coming up for the 59, just because if I'm gonna open the box and have a look at it, I'm gonna give you guys a look at it. So anyway, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. And hey, if you would hit that like, subscribe, share, do all that stuff. You know, it doesn't cost you anything. It really, really helps out the channel, helps my channel grow. And if the channel grows, then I'm able to do more contests, you know, do other things for other people. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.